Hey, what's going on guys? It's Will, and in this video I'm excited to go over customizable alerts and how you can use them on the Robinhood app. This is going to be a really cool video because we've done this before, but today they've added something that's given us the ability to be even more dynamic with how we choose what stocks we want to get notifications on. So should be really fun. Also guys, if you get any value from this at all, make sure to leave a thumbs up and subscribe down below. And if you have any interest in investing on Robinhood, or you already invest on Robinhood, then make sure to check out the links below. There's a free ebook as well as a link that will take you to a community where everyone in that community invests on Robinhood. So it's a really fun place to learn how to invest using the app, and we're going to do that today. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one, and I'll see you guys on my phone.
Hello everyone, my name's Will, and we're on the Netflix stock here on the Robinhood app, and today I'm going to be going over how to use the customizable alerts with the new adage that they just introduced using the Robinhood app. So super excited for this one. This is going to be a good video and should help anyone that invests on Robinhood. I made a customizable alert video in the past, so make sure to go check that one out because it goes more in depth on the kind of older features that they've had on this app, but they're always introducing new things. So before I get into it, I wanted to pretty much cover that, hey guys, we're on the Netflix app, we got stats, we got news, analyst ratings, research reports, earnings, and all these things that we can go over in depth. And I do that on this channel. So if you haven't already, I'd appreciate you subscribing. If you love to invest on Robinhood, that's what we do on this channel. So there's also other things like personal finance and learning how to manage your money in the right way. I'm not a financial advisor by any means, but I do support educating people on simple things about finance, or maybe more advanced things here and there. So definitely more advanced things on Robinhood. But with that being said, let's get into what we have for today. So you're going to go to settings on the Robinhood app. Then you're going to go to notifications, okay? And we've gone over these ones in a past video except for Robinhood Snacks because they just introduced that. But the price movements, I have it at 5% if a stock moves up and down. And it's not just any stock. It's not just the stock that I'm in, my position, but it's the positions and the stocks in my watch list. I get notified when a stock moves like that, and in a window of a week, because I'm a more swing trade type of person, right? I don't day trade as much as I do swing trade and invest for the long term. So anyway, all these things right here we've gone over before, but today I wanted to go over something new that they recently added, and that is if we go to notifications, it should be there. There it is. So you can see that was weird, huh? It wasn't there. But notifications about your portfolio. So currently I'm invested in Disney. Yesterday I made a video on Disney, how I'm invested 49 shares right now, and my position's going okay. I was down about $68 yesterday, but overall I'm up 800, so that's it's going good. Notifications. So what's really cool about this update is you can now pretty much put these notifications, all these things that you specify, right, when you want to get notified, you can apply those to specific stocks, right? So the whole positions and watch list thing that we saw in price movements, this is kind of out the window because now you can select, right? You could have 5 stocks you're invested in, which if you're diversifying, that's great. And you could make it so that, hey, I don't want to get notifications on so-and-so, but I do want it on, let's say, Apple and Nvidia, or I do want to get a notification on natural gas, but I'm not really looking to get a notification on what's going on with my long-term investment for investing in Micron technology or something like that. So, this is really, really helpful. It's going to be, it's providing us with new tools that I think are going to be invaluable, and hopefully they have a customized watch list where we have multiple watch lists. But anyway, how you use this is simply you can just put on yes or no. And for me, I like to do this on all the stocks that I swing trade, okay? And some of the stocks that are just in my watch list because I have an interest in them slightly, I turn those off. Like for example, I have Berkshire A and Berkshire B. I don't need both of them on because they have the same price fluctuations. They're just different values, right? So when it comes to how you can use this, just simply put yes or no, on or off, right, for the ones that you want to get notified on. And this may not seem like that big of a deal, and it's probably not, but it could be really useful, and it's a big step compared to what we had before, where if you turn on watch list and positions, every single stock in your watch list you get notified for, which in my opinion was kind of irritating, because there's lots of stocks that I have in my watch list that I don't necessarily need to see updates on. So yeah, hopefully this video helps you out. Really appreciate you guys tuning in. And yeah, if you have any questions about this, make sure to leave them down in the comment section. And yeah, make sure to leave a comment what you think about this new update. I'm going to make more videos about any new things that they add. And if you guys have any questions about things that you want me to cover on Robinhood specifically, whether it's options or crypto or anything that you can use in the settings or tools, then make sure to just leave a comment down below and let me know what you'd like to see. And I can really give an in-depth kind of tutorial on that. Either way, I'm probably going to do it, but I will get to it faster if you leave a comment about it. So hopefully this is helpful, and if you guys do find this stuff effective and that you could use it, great. I think I will. Obviously, I already am. And Robinhood's always adding new things, which I find very, very attractive, because in my opinion, Robinhood's the best broker to trade on. And yeah, if you guys enjoy trading on Robinhood, make sure to subscribe and like below. Thank you guys so much. Really appreciate you all, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.